Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is our good moment as usual. This is our good moment of sharing about cryptocurrency and giving out financial advices on digital currencies and NFT. So this is our great moment, and today I'm going. This session I'm going to focus on Pi Network because I believe Pi Network is becoming something else more than we believed. All right. Well, okay. Uh, Let me first try to highlight what I think. What I think. Okay. The first point I'm going to share. I'm going to share what I expect tomorrow, because tomorrow it will be on 14th March. What are my expectation, and what also should pioneers expect tomorrow? Okay, this is only what I'm going to focus on in this kind of video, and I think everybody should listen up to the end, because I think it's going to try to highlight. Okay, it can shape you on how you are going to behave tomorrow. Okay, there's a lot of speculations, but I'm going to talk about what this is only related to my research and my personal thinking. So always learn to do your own research, but also basing on what people are saying. Okay, I am expecting, there is a guy here I have found. There is a guy here I found. This guy really has made a content which is like okay, this content he has written, it is like what I am thinking of today. So here he first said Pi Network is facing resistance while speculations about Binance listing fuels optimist. Okay, first of all, Pi Network has already resisted to 1.83. That one we already know. So if the token unlock event could trigger stroke selling pressure, risking a drop below 1. Okay, let me first highlight this. I think tomorrow, this is what I'm thinking, and I'm trying to do market analysis. Let me first, Pi Network value is currently around 1.35. Despite the broader market volatility, Pi has been stable, trading as high as 1.41 and as low as 1.30 for the day. The token has however, she over the past week indicates some weakness, but the token is a little bit fine, is trying to show us the resistance between 1.41 and 1.30. I think everyone has already seen that. So the market participants are also cautious, since future token unlocks can contribute to selling pressure. Based on the statistic, let me tell you, I'm going to tell you this. Do you know that tomorrow they will call out a mass migration? Let me try to understand this. Tomorrow they will call out a mass migration. And this mass migration, my dear, is very dangerous. Because even if they will risk Pi on buying, okay, let's imagine, because okay, it is speculation that they may risk this coin on what? On Binance. Okay. If this coin is listed on Binance, I agree and I accept that the price may rise up to 3 to 5. It may reach to 3 to 5. But there is one problem which is there. And that problem is very serious, is that tomorrow there will be a mass migration. This is where the problem is. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the ecosystem that applies, that the GCV, that what. It's not what I'm going to talk about. I want to talk about crypto industry, because it's the one that we have already seen up to now. is the one that we believe that is working. This is what I'm focusing. Tomorrow there will be a mass migration. And as this guy said, there will be a selling pressure. Too much selling pressure. Because even if Binance risk and price raising to 3, nobody will wait for that money to come up. Everybody, because it's mass migration, people are going to sell. People are going to sell like nothing. That's why I'm saying we need to stay precautioned, because I believe tomorrow things are going to look different. They are going to look different. How? Because tomorrow things are going to be really different. Look at how things are moving. So if the selling pressure, of course, makes too much liquidation on some of the exchange, and it reduces the prices of the coin. That's why I'm saying that if there will be a mass migration, if we will receive migration tomorrow, I am telling you, whether you want or not, even if Binance will resist, but in a crypto way, the price of Pi coin will at first drop up to $1. This is what I'm thinking. Okay, it's not related to the past, but I know very well. I can stand on it that the price will come down because of that mass migration, where there will be selling pressure. People will want to sell their Pi coins. I'm telling you. Now, despite the way Binance will list, which might even, okay, if Binance was listing like now without receiving my second migration, it was going to be good. To be good, how? It was going to be good because the total supply is still low. Some are still in hold, others are still stuck. So I can say that, I can just say that it was a little bit fine, because some pies are rocked, others are still hanged on an unverified balance. But if tomorrow they do a mass, whether you want or not, if tomorrow they do a mass migration, we are going to receive a deeper selling pressure, which will push Pi to almost $1. I'm talking even, okay, if Binance was going to risk tomorrow, the way it is in speculation, it was going to boost the price, but the only problem is that there will be also mass migration. Unless when Binance risks it tomorrow, then they stop. Okay, the migration takes a part, not for the mass migration. But if they do mass migration, the selling pressure will be there. Even the price may come back up to 0.8. This is my expectation. But the only way of fighting, the only thing that Pi Network can do to fight against this downtrend of Pi Network is just to put the in power of the ecosystem price, because when the ecosystem price will be high, so when we see the face of Pi Network as a digital currency, then if we see that if we see if we see that face of digital currency, and maybe the price is a little bit higher, people will still choose to hold their Pi coins in the ecosystem rather than taking it to the crypto world. So my suggestion is, if you are holding Pi up to tomorrow, okay, I have said this is my personal analysis, but if you want to buy Pi, tomorrow is a good time. I mean tomorrow after the open mainnet, because I know if you receive migration, what you need to do is not to go and sell. It's better you wait and buy them. You need to buy them, because there will be too much selling pressure. I'm very sure it's going to happen in the crypto world. But unless when Pi Network decide to launch its digital currency, Pi Network, to work as a digital currency. So that one is very clear and understandable. If they choose to do so, that means it's going a little bit to be different. But if they don't, we are still facing the selling pressure in terms because of that mass migration. Okay, this is where I am standing, and I wanted to I was trying to okay I was trying to highlight some of the thing. Unfortunately, okay, there's another way that people, I mean, some companies have already tried to adapt this payment method of Pi. For example, like a real estate company called it's called Zito Reality, yeah, and it has 3.43 trillion in capital. So okay, it is still giving us the backbone. It's still giving the backbone in terms of payment, which may okay stabilize the price of this coin. But still, if we get mass migration, I'm telling you, there will be a selling pressure. Unless when Pi Network core team decided to put the digital currencies price, which will help pioneers to hold their Pi coins in the ecosystem. But if they don't, we are tomorrow almost in the evening. Tomorrow in the evening after the open mainnet, it will be a good time. It will be a good time. It will be a good time for buying. It will be a good time for buying Pi. I know the price will drop down. I believe so. But if they announce the ecosystem price, what will be now the different? If they say that ecosystem price, for example, is $10, immediately it will boost the crypto price. It will might even run up to 20. But if they don't do so, if they don't give us the ecosystem price, our Pi network price is shifting down because people are going to adapt the selling system. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and I wanted like you guys we understand it very well, because if you don't understand this market very well, we can make some mistakes. Maybe today we buy more, sell, saying that tomorrow it will boost. We are going to sell. By the way, we are expecting it to boost even today, but we haven't. So my suggestion is very clear. Let's stay attentive and wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. But we are waiting for something great. Thank you very much.